Namaste. I, Dr. Juhi Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Department Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today's our topic is arachis oil. Synonym of arachis oil is groundnut oil, peanut oil. Biological source of arachis oil is it is fixed oil expressed from the seed kernels of cultivated varieties of Arachis hypogae. Family is Leguminosae family. Geographical source is indigenous Brazil. Now it is extremely cultivated in the southern United States, China, Africa and India. Method of preparation like peanut kernel contain about 40 to 50% of the fixed oil. The graded and cleaned kernels are crushed and the oil is separated by expression, and further quantity of the oil is collected by the hot expression method. Both fractions and mixed together, it is then allowed to stand for some time to separate the seratin and filter. The oil is then treated with the filler earth carbon for bleaching and filtered thoroughly by using the filter press. Peanut cake or peanut oil means is a rich source of the protein and contain about 39 to 45% of the crude protein in the crude form. It is used as cattle food as a raw material for the preparation of protein isolate. Okay. Then color, pale yellow colored liquid. Odor is faint and characteristic. Taste bland and nut-like taste. Solubility, it is slightly soluble in alcohol and soluble in solvent ether, chloroform and light petroleum. And the standard is the unsaponifiable matter, not more than 1.5%. Acid value is not more than 0.5. Iodine value is 85 to 105. Saponification value is 185 to 195. Weight per ml is 0.911 to 0.920. Refractive index is 1.467 to 1.470. Arachis oil for the parenteral doses form should contain not more than 0.3% of the water. Extra features on the exposure to the air. Its thickness vary gradually and may become rancid. It is sterilized by the dry heat process. It is not dyeing oil. Okay. Chemical constituent arachis oil consists of the glycides of fatty acid, chiefly oleic, ironolic, stearic, arachid oils, other acids, lignocellulosic and palmitic acid, oleic acid, palmitic acid, arachis acid, linoleic acid. Raw oil may contain aflatoxin, carcinogenic substances produced by the fungal growth, and coloring substances. Refining of the oil remove color, odor, impurities, and aflatoxins too. The polyunsaturated fatty acid content of this oil is about 31.0%. Chemical test. Under the ultraviolet radiation, arachis oil show the blue fluorescence. Uses of the arachis oil. Peanut oil is solvent solvent of the intramuscular injection. Since it is resembled to the olive oil, it is used in the preparation, liniment and plasters and soaps. Being non-drying oil, it is valuable as a lubricant. It produces firms and excellent with the soap, white soap. Principally, it is used as an edible oil. Substitution and adulteration. Peanut oil is adulterated with the cotton seed oil and mixed with the sesame oil. The presence of this oil is indicated by the following tests. Take 2.5 peanut oil and it add with the 2.5 ml of the alcohol and 2.5 ml of the solution of the sulfur carbon in carbon sulfide 1%. Heat the mixtures now, and the presence of the pink and red color indicate the cotton seed oil. Shake the 2 ml of second test. Shake the 2 ml of arachis oil with 1 ml of hydrochloric acid and containing sucrose. This is the Bordolin test. Keep it aside for then it is solution. Sorry, Benedict test. Keep it aside for the 5 minutes. The presence of the pink color in the acid layer indicate the presence of the sesame oil. Foreign fixed oil can be confirmed by the gas chromatographic method. Next is cocoa butter. Synonyms of the cocoa butter is theobromate oil, cocoa butter. Biological source, it is a fat obtained roasted seed of the Theobroma coca. Family is Struculaceae. Geographical source, cocoa is cultivated in the most of the tropical, subtropical countries, especially Sri Lanka, Philippines, Brazil, Curacao, Mexico, West Africa and part of India. Cocoa has been used by the Mexicans since long times and even was known to Columbus and Cortez. Cocoa butter was prepared as early as in 1695 in AD. Cultivation, how cultivation of cocoa is done? Cocoa is cultivated up to an elevation of 100 meters above from the sea level. It needs well-drained, good quality soil with the capacity to hold the moisture. About 15 to 30 centimeters of the top soil should have sufficient organic matter. Cocoa plant can tolerate a rainfall of 150 to 500 centimeters per annum. Provide it properly distributed. Proper irrigation is essential at least for the first 2 years of the cultivation so as to enable the tap root of the plant to penetrate particular depth of the soil. Cocoa plant is the sun-loving but cannot bear the direct sunlight. Hence, permanent evergreen forestry are grown to provide shade. Well in advance before cocoa plants are planted, interplanting can be done successfully by the raising coconut and arecanuts in the tree between the cocoa plants survive for the 60 to 70 years and start bearing fruit after the 3 years of planting. Hindustan Cocoa Product Limited in India has undertaken extensive cultivation of cocoa in the Kerala. Preparation of the cocoa butter. Cocoa seed contain about 50 of the cocoa butter. The seeds are separated from the pods, allowed to ferment, wherein the seed changes their color from the white to dark reddish brown due to the enzymatic reaction. The fermentation process takes place at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. The process of fermentation is carried out into the tubes, boxes or in the cavities made in the earth for the 3 to 6 days. The seeds are roasted at 100 to 140 degrees Celsius, which loses water and acetic acid from the seed and facilitates removal of the seed cones. The seeds are then cooled immediately, fed to nibbling machines to remove the shell. Winnowing the kernels are then fed to the hot rollers, which yield a past mass containing cocoa butter. This is further purified to give the cocoa butter. The cocoa shell are processed further to the yield of alkaloids. Description: how the cocoa butter is yellowish white solid and brittle below 25 degrees Celsius. It is pleasant chocolate odor and taste. It is insoluble in water but soluble in ether, chloroform, benzene, petroleum ether. Specific gravity is 0.858 to 0.864. Melting point is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Refractive index is 1.4637 to 14578. Saponification value is 188 to 195. Iodine value is 35 to 40. Chemical constituents, it consists of the glycerides of stearic 34% and palmitic 25%, oleic is 37% acid and a small amount of arachidic and enolic acid. The non-greaselessness of the product is due to its glyceride structure. Use: It is used a base of the suppositories and ointment, manufacture of the cream and toilet soap. Substitute mango kernel oil, which is a solid fat at room temperature and has a melting point at 35 degrees Celsius, is used as a substitute for the cocoa butter. Next is shea butter. Just synonym of shea butter is Keralite, nut butter, shea butter, shea butter, and shea tree. Biological source derived from the seed kernel of the shea tree, Veterinaria paradox, formerly Butyrolus sperma parki, Sapotaceae family. The shea tree is commonly known for its fat called the shea butter. This is extracted from the kernel of its nuts. Geographical sources obtained mainly from the Nigeria, Bulgaria and Ghana. Collection and preparation. The tree start bearing its first fruit when it is 10 to 15 years old. Full production is attained when the tree is about 20 to 30 years old. It is then produced nut for up to 200 years. The fruit resemble large pulps as take 4 to 6 months of the ripen. The average yield is 15 to 20 kg of the fresh fruit per tree, with the optimum yield up to 45 kg. Each kilogram of fruit is given approximately 400 gram of the dry seeds. Here, in a brief summary of the shea butter preparation of harvested shea tree. Harvest the nut from the farm, accumulate in the piles and the pits, heat the nut and boil preferred or roasted, dry the whole nut if boiled, dehusk the nut and to get kernel, usually cracked by the hand, dry the kernel and store in a secure place, crush the kernel, dry roast and crush the kernel, mill or pound it, grit into the paste needed to form emulsion to separate fats, boil the oil and to dry, clean and decay to clarify the butter. So what is the uses of the shea butter? Shea butter. The shea tree is tropically African food plant throughout the Africa. It is used extensively for the food. It is in a major southern of the dietary fat. It has been claimed that to form a potential to improve the nutrition. Shea butter is also used in the cosmetic, skin emollient and the pharmaceutical. Shea butter is recently become a very popular ingredient in the cosmetic and personal care applications due to its good emolliency and moisturizing property. The high content of unsupportable lipids, especially terpene, cannamates, contribute to the skin healing and restoration of anti-inflammatory action. It is the precursor of the manufacture of the soap, candles. Shea butter is used as a sedative anodines for the treatment of spasms, dislocations and the relief of the mirror, acne and pains. Other important uses include it is used as antimicrobial agent for the promotion and rapid healing of the wound, adds the lubricant. So that is the shea butter. And we will what we have learned today, that what is shea butter, what is cocoa butter, how the cocoa butter is cultivating of the cocoa butter, preparation of the cocoa butter. Then we have learned about the uses of cocoa butter, like in suppositories, ointment and creams, and toilet soaps, etc. And the next is shea butter, how shea butter is collected, prepared and cultivated, and what is the uses of the shea butter. That is all about the lecture of the today. Thank you. Namaste. If you have any query, just comment below.